another beautiful morning. We are headed out to a Cars and Coffee. We are fashionably late, but the turnout still should be quite good. They're not biased over here, so we'll be able to park up if there is space and see what's there. This car, I need to get a new clutch in it. Like if I do like 1 or 2 hits, you know what I'm saying, we straight, but I definitely can't be doing like back-to-back runs like that. I can feel it up top in 4th gear, like at the very top of 4th gear, which isn't necessarily like a huge
Use the right
issue,
lane to take exit 49.
because at that point, you know, somebody's already, you know, gapped or whatever, so, you know, it is what it is. Or if it's so close, it's just like we're already going so damn fast. If I have to let out, you know, it is what it is. But gonna get the clutch replaced, and I'm also gonna get some suspension done too at the same time, because this car is on fully stock suspension, literally stock springs, everything. Like the car is stock. It's honestly surprising how well, in my personal opinion, I know some people probably don't like how ET Street R's feel on the road, but because I actually have like a real tire in the front, because again, I'm on 20s and it's like, it is a full-size tire up front. I'm not gonna say it rides like stock, but it's a smooth enough ride that I can road trip the car, obviously, because I've done it not once, not twice, but 3 times. Should be pulling up shortly, so when we get to this little spot, I'll turn the vlog back on.
A few moments later.
We'll see what's here. Oh, no, I think everybody left. Yeah, for the most part, everybody left. Yeah. Probably a little too late. I pulled up too late, y'all. Ooh, look at that GT350 right here. Oh, well. I think I pulled up, yeah, I pulled up a little too late, y'all. 10 o'clock? Oh, well. I pulled up a little late. Alright. Starting off the vlog already at a meet. Our car is all the way back there. Got some clean new edges right here, y'all. Damn. This yellow Celine is tough. I like this a lot. This green. Damn. Clean. Got a mock here. Real clean. I feel like it's like fully OEM too, which is nice. I like that. Sometimes it's nice to take a step back and just have a fully stock, or at least OEM plus mock. I'm about to just be chilling tonight. BMWs, bikes are out. Hellcat, hell yeah. Billet specialties too. This looks really nice on Billet specialties. I like that a lot. Got a work truck on 4 stars. Probably boosted, honestly. Transport over there. What up? Got the that Supra. I saw that Supra a couple weeks ago too. Another takeover at the gas station. Not really a takeover though. The 7-Eleven does not care because they have hella business, and there's literally another one across the street. V-locks on all fours, damn. I don't know if y'all can see it all the way, but he's got V-locks. Shit. All four. Crazy. High rim Camaro. C6.
A few moments later.
That Mox cam, damn. Looks fully stock in his cam. That's actually badass. Single turbo, like this too. Low-key got a nice group of cars here, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna go all the way in the back, but a nice group of cars. That dude going crazy with the revving, bro. I'm telling you that right now. He is going nuts. There's hella cars over there too. Shit. Well, I walked the whole gas station for the most part. Saying guys are trying to go ahead and get runs, but I don't know about that, y'all. I think that'd be a very, very, very bad idea. Very bad idea. It's the next day, back at the casa, man. The weather has been incredibly inconsistent. 1 hour it's raining, the next it's sunny, man. So just trying to make it work this week. It's looking like it's gonna be like this for like the rest of the week, which is super irritating. Trying to keep the car as clean as possible because I just got it detailed, but man, I'm looking at the tires right now, and these ET Street R's, they might be nah, they're still good. They're still good. I'm planning on doing another road trip to Mexico at the end of the month. I'm not really gonna be trying to get runs in until then because number one, I need to replace the clutch, and if I do not get the clutch replaced by the end of the month, I definitely don't want to go ahead and mess it up before I make my trip to Mexico again. So if you know, you know. If you want to lock something in, reach out on Instagram. I'm not gonna say where it is, I'm not gonna say what day it is. If you know, you know. It's one of those things, you want to lock something in. I'll run anybody 800 to 1,000. Let me know. Preferably some different type of cars, because I've yet to race really a lot of C7Zs, honestly C6 Vets, 6th Gen Z01s, even some fast 5th Gen Z01s. What else could be there? I mean, BMWs as well. I don't really care. But if you got something interesting and maybe a Shelby GT350, hit me up. Get something going down, man. But yeah, make sure y'all stay safe out there, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.